if you have decided to take a drop for CLAT 2027 examination, when you have decluttered yourself, now would come the time where you will start actual preparation. You will have to read books, editorials, which is ultimately going to help you master the skill. This time, start with the basics such as DI, average and percentage. Every day, you will have to dedicate 8 to 10 hours towards studying that particular topic. Hello my dear students. So if you have decided to take a drop for CLAT 2027 examination and you have taken it seriously this time, then I am going to share you a very serious, no-nonsense plan for 12 months with you. You approximately have 12 months with you guys for your CLAT 2027 examination, and now this time you have to be completely sincere towards your goal. So starting 3 months, what are you going to do is, first of all, eliminate all your bad habits which have ultimately led you to a disastrous result in your CLAT 2026 examination. Second, you need to focus on concept building from the very beginning. You do not have to procrastinate or assume that you know everything. You have to start from the scratch because your foundation was weak. You could not build a good building on it. Next goal would be to eliminate all the noise that you have around you. That could be your friends, that could be anybody around you, any gadget around you which is weighing you down. When you have decluttered yourself, now would come the time where you will start actual preparation. So your preparation would be, first step would be reset and rebuilding. When we're talking about legal, start from the very basics, build your foundation on your static subjects, and this time read your magazines, read whatever is happening around the world in your current legal GK as well. Simultaneously, when we talk about logical reasoning, you were entirely focused on the critical reasoning aspect of it. This time, you do not have to commit the same mistake because this time you are also going to emphasize on analytical reasoning. Third would be English. You have to read and comprehend at a very good level where you will have to master the reading comprehension. This will be helped by the editorials. You will have to read books, editorials, which is ultimately going to help you master the skill of reading quickly and understanding at the same pace. Next would be your mathematics. Most students felt till the very end that they were not very sure with their QT. This time, start with the basics such as DI, average and percentage, and then move on to more concepts, more difficult levels of preparation. Next would be the current affairs. Start from the past 12 months current affairs. You cannot miss 2025 current affairs. You cannot miss 2026 current affairs. At the same time, give due focus to your static GK as well. Take up one topic for each day and prepare that topic thoroughly. Now that you have completed your first quarter of 3 months, next step would be building on the things that you have already completed in your first quarter. Every day, you will have to dedicate 8 to 10 hours towards studying that particular topic. Now, this topic would be mix and match from different subjects. You will have to give at least one mock in a week, which can be online or offline depending on your suitability. You will start attempting your sectionals, which will give you strength not just in revision but also help you identify where things go wrong. This has to be done in the second quarter where you have already completed all your basics in the first quarter. Now you have started with rigorous practice in your second quarter. So by the end of second quarter, 6 months have already lapsed and the third quarter will begin with at least 2 to 3 mocks every week. Now mock analysis is a prime part of giving the mock examination. Most of the students last year have also complained that ma'am, they did give the mock examinations but did not analyze it thoroughly, which ultimately led that they committed the same mistakes again and again, and ultimately those mistakes costed them harshly for their CLAT 2026 examination. Let this not be the story for you. What you have to do is, you have to attempt a mock. Try attempting the mock between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. because that is the time when CLAT actually happens for you. Also, do not make yourself too comfortable with the environment because there is going to be circulation of documents, checking of documents, invigilation, and everything would be happening around you in those 2 hours as well. So you cannot expect yourself to be secluded entirely for that examination. Prepare yourself mentally for the exam as well. Now, the last 3 months, what you have to do is rigorous revisions. That revision portion would include studying thoroughly each and every current affair, static portion, legal building, the logical concepts, and practicing a mixed bag of questions where you will be able to identify that what is the exact time that you're taking for attempting a 120 marks paper. You have to time yourself not just for the entire paper but also for each section. You have to analyze what is the accuracy and then build on it. This would be the task for the 3rd quarter. Now, the final nail in the coffin, the 4th quarter. This time, mocks is the only way forward. You do not have time to start learning newer concepts. You would not have time to cater to the things that you've already missed in the previous 3 quarters. 4th quarter is only for revisiting and rebuilding what you think is weak. But if you think in the 4th quarter that you will start with something new, that is something which will again cost you your CLAT 2027 examination. I would also like to emphasize here that there might be a possibility that CLAT 2027 could be different from what CLAT 2026 has been, because a committee has been looking into this for the past few months. So, you will have to be prepared for any changes that might be thrown at your way. There will be sample papers. You will have to attempt those sample papers which will be released by the consortium in those last months. You will also have to emphasize massively on the marathon so that you can actually sustain in the sprint of CLAT 2027 examination. In the last quarter, try and attempt at least 2 mocks online and 2 offline mocks where you will be filling the OMR. Make a trick for yourself which helps you in filling the OMR quickly, which helps you eliminate the wrong options and reach the perfect answer. You have to take techniques which will help you crack CLAT 2027 examination. All the best.